Da, 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 da. Yo, 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 what's going on, everybody? What's up, what's up, what's up? How's it going, bro? I'm doing like 10% better. Still not feeling great, but nonetheless, we're getting to the finish line.
Nice.
Bro, I was hurting yesterday. I literally, there was a point, if you saw my personal IG story, you probably can't get that image out of your head. I was down bad,
Yeah.
to say the least.
Yeah, your voice was different.
Yeah, and I was spitting up some blood. It was disgusting. Something with my sinuses or my throat, or I don't know, my tonsil maybe.
Yeah. All right, man. Hope you'll recover soon.
There we go. We are live and we are here, though. That's what matters. We are live and in action. Hopefully we can catch a winner today.
Yes, that's the plan.
I need mega trade ASAP.
Me too.
Can you deliver?
I will give my best to give you two mega trade.
I need 2 mega trades. Okay.
Yeah. Let's do it.
All right. We'll take it. We will take it. We'll take it. We'll take it. Who all came to my webinar last night? Who was all there? Did you guys enjoy it? You guys have fun? I was my flu game, baby. Bro, I was dying. If y'all saw my personal IG story, I was literally spitting up blood. Literally dying. Literally just dead. Yeah, it was bad. If you saw my personal IG story, then you know. No bueno. But good morning. Good morning, everybody. Top of the day. I need to call Mr. Gene. Last night's class was great. It was incredible. Even with the flu. And tonight, we're diving into strategy, baby. Diving into strategy. What's up, dog? We done? Nice. Will you bring some coffee, please? Oh, thank you, sir. See you. Bye. Let's go. Gene's getting the coffee. Gene's getting the coffee. Jdun, we have the same name, except for your last name is way cooler. Escobar? That's so sick. Jacob Escobar. I wish that was my name. Instead, I'm stuck with Dunning. You got freaking Pablo Escobar and Jay combined. That's so sick.
As you can see, we have been projected 750 all night, all day. All night, sorry. 750 still valid for me. It's the weekly range. It's a weekly range going down. Going down, guys. From 750 until 616.
Yesterday's price action was low-key kind of dog water.
That's why that range is still on 9 charts.
We get coffee from a few local spots. I don't drink Starbucks. I'll drink Starbucks maybe like once every quarter. I don't like their black coffee. Not a fan. Ugh. Not a fan of Starbucks black coffee. What's up, Artif? How you doing, bro? Good to see you in here. Good to see you in here, my boy.
That range starts at 68 until 887 to 4887. Thank you.
You guys, if you missed the webinar last night, tonight is the final night. I'm going over all. I gotta turn this off. Bro's just yapping. Love you, dog. But if you guys missed the weekly webinar last night, tonight is the last night to join. We're going over all things strategy. So you can do two things. You can either A, click that link down in the description on YouTube. It's the first link. It says free masterclass DOD, the path to profitability in 2026. Or you can click right here. I'll put it in chat. $7 p.m. Eastern time. Here you go. I just put the link in chat and I'll also pin it for a little bit. If you guys missed last night, be sure to sign up for tonight. And if you're on TikTok, you can DM me on IG. What's up, Tyler? How's it going, bro? You can DM me on IG, Jdun Trades. Get access to the free live training tonight. You cannot miss it. We're going over all things strategy. Starbucks is trash. Not good. Not good. At all. Link went to my junk folder. Well, for all y'all here, make sure you check your spam too. If you didn't get it in your primary, make sure you guys check your spam tonight. What you can also do too, and I'll probably say this a few times, but if you guys could also go follow my Instagram at Jdun Trades, and I'll be posting the link to join on my story for anyone who can't get it in their email right before, like 10 minutes before or something. So if you, right now, before the market opens, before we get busy trading, go to my IG, make sure you follow and watch my stories like 10 minutes before. That is a solution for you. I got you. Happy holidays, my boy. Happy holidays, everybody. I had to get my music playing too. Let's see here. It's a good morning to choose discipline over dopamine, everybody. It's a good morning to choose DOD. I'm getting the DOD cut back out too. What's happening? I'm okay. I still have some lymph node pain, which is odd. Like I'd never get sick, and I've been sick for like a week. Like 5 days. Sick 4 days. Yeah, we'll be applying that to strategy. Jonathan. We're gonna be grinding on the charts today. Grinding on the charts. It's going down. I never get sick either, bro. I don't know what the hell is going on. I eat so healthy. Yep, class was at 7 p.m. Eastern time. It's from all that grinding. Yup. I agree. All right, Team Bull, talk to me. How's everyone's morning been? You guys doing your mental scan today? You guys ready to focus up and make some money? It's a good morning to choose DOD. Start on your path to profitability in 2026 today, not tomorrow, not Wednesday, today. I still got some pain in my lymph nodes up here. I'm gonna go. If it doesn't go away, I'm going to the doctor again today. I haven't had any more bleeding though. That was interesting. Why trading companies don't like scalping? Because contrary to popular belief, I think it's pretty profitable. Scalp. They pass. Accounts. All right, let's see this. Hold on. Ugh. All right, Team Old Money Team on Zoom. Talk to me. Where are y'all checking in from today? Where's everyone tuning in from this fine morning? We got Denver in the house. We got Jersey, Littleton, Korea. Where y'all from? Where's everyone checking in from? Utah, Reno, Nevada, Florida, California, Austria. Austria, that's crazy. Wisconsin, Indiana, Costa Rica, Virginia, Chile, Washington, cold-ass New York, Indiana, Australia. A Somali learning center. Damn, well, bro's rich. Central New York, Vietnam, Indiana, Costa Rica, Las Vegas, Kenosha. That's awesome. Miami, but visiting Puerto Rico. Every year after I pay my tax bill, I always think about moving to Puerto Rico. I just honestly, here's my problem, is I know that it would be very tax beneficial to move to Puerto Rico. I get that, but it's also, I don't really want to move that far away from my family. Like, my grandma ain't getting any younger, you know? My mom ain't getting any younger. Like, gotta take the old kid out there and some more shit. Like, it's a lot to move to Puerto Rico. Damn, bro's retired till the end of 2025. That's crazy. We have FOMC minutes today, huh? I likely won't be on. I'm likely going to go to doctor. I had to live in Dorado Beach. I mean, I've seen a lot of great things about Dorado Beach in Puerto Rico. I'd do it. I'd get it. Your time's the most valuable asset we have. And I won't back down. You guys better all be tuning in tonight for the final night of DOD, the path to profitability in 2026. Strategy is going down tonight. It's going down like the Dow Jones. I better be seeing y'all there. Y'all better be on your way. It will be recorded. Yep. You just have to be registered. If you need access, you can DM me on Instagram. And honestly, if you guys that were signed up and you didn't get it or whatever, just go follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna be posting the link in my story 10 minutes before. So you guys will have a guaranteed link to get in. Jdun Trades. If you guys got value from yesterday's class, type yes.
Yes, sir.
Type yes in the chat if you're on YouTube or TikTok if y'all got value from yesterday's class. Let's see. If y'all got value and you're looking forward to night 2, we got Jerry saying yes, Lisa saying yes, Juz, NVR, CM, Caden, Artif, William, Tomas, Eduardo, all of them saying yes. J Crypto, Win saying yes. I appreciate you guys more than you know. More than you know. I'm going to do my best to find y'all a winning trade today, too. No excuses not to be there tonight. No excuses. Need each and every one of y'all there. The link is also up in my pinned comment. And as a reminder, TikTok, I'm also live on YouTube. So if you want full screen share on all my levels, you can go to YouTube right now, too. It's Jdun Trades. No gym tonight, baby. We'll mentally work out at class, then you can go after. Is that fair? What's up, Grizzly Glock? What you watching this morning?
I'm just gonna watch this video. You can see my screen on Zoom, the demand that we have.
I can't see it because I'm sharing too.
Around the pretty stay lower here. So the bottom of the zones, they just stay low, 25,648. Top of the zone is 25,674. That is a hourly demand.
Let's get it. It just feels right. We're going over my entire strategy tonight at the free live training. As a reminder, too, guys, if you want to trade futures with me today, Apex is 90% off. You can get a 50K Tradeovate account for $19.60. There's no better deal in the industry. You can use code JDUN and secure yourself a 50K account for $19.60, which is absolutely insane if you didn't know. 90% off all accounts. I recommend the 50K or the 150K, though. They'll give you your best odds. I appreciate y'all's support. I'll always do my best to help you guys pass your challenges, get funded, get paid out, and move that money to a live account. Always. If you guys want daily payouts, I recommend Tradeify. And all the partner firms that I partner with are below.
Yes, let's do it.
To get y'all past today. Nah, Tradeify is the new goat over Take Profit. Take Profit had them before the daily payouts. Not anymore. Ugh. All right, guys, let's get it. Trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused. Let's get it today, y'all. It's true. You don't have the trailing on Tradeify versus TPT. That's exactly right, bro. I'm not feeling great, but I'm like 5-10% better. I don't know why it's lingered so long. I never get sick this long. I never even get sick. All right, let's see what we get. Trade smart, trade safe, and choose discipline over dopamine today, everybody. Trade smart, trade safe, and choose discipline over dopamine today, my friends. Stay focused on the long-term vision. Stay focused on following your plan today. If you do those things, whether your P&L's red or green or flat, it's a winning day. That's how I want you guys looking at every single day going into 2026. Yeah, I didn't bleed anymore after that, though. I was just like coughing up some blood for a second. I think my tonsil or something was bleeding, or maybe I ruptured it coughing too hard. I don't know. Then it was fine. Fine this morning. I don't know what the hell was going on. It was coughed like a blood loogie. It was disgusting. Horrible. We're terrible. Name Tesla's nosediving. Why is Tesla nosediving? Aggressive sell candle on Tesla. Some relative weakness. Some relative weakness on Tesla, baby. Gonna stay patient today. Wait the first at least 15 minutes. Try to find one good A+ setup. We got New Year's Eve tomorrow, so this week might be a little choppy, a little slower. As far as data Yep, we have FOMC minutes today too. Which is odd because it's usually on Wednesdays. Yeah, I'll trade tomorrow. I think I'm gonna trade live at the office on Friday too. I just haven't announced it yet. So I think I'll probably have some students at the office to kick off the first like real trading day of the year with me in person. What other team is doing that? Nobody. Nobody's doing that. That's who. Oh shit, it is on gold. I don't know why it went to gold default. That's crazy. Whoops. Glad you mentioned that. I'm on gold. I thought you meant gold like I was doing something crazy. If you guys showed up to class last night, implement everything I taught you yesterday. Time to implement it and turn it into action today. Turn that thing to action today. DOD way.
Bullish divergence and VIX is confirming.
All right. Give us a nice A+ trend day setup today. That's all we want. One nice A+ trend day setup. That's all we need.
What data we have? We have 9:45. We have PM on us. 10 minutes.
In 10 minutes. Hopefully I'll get my coffee right in time for after data.
Give the market a little bit longer before I try to take a trade.
Yesterday's price action was kind of dog water too. Not great. Like not a lot of trend. There were some spikes up and down for sure, but no real daily trend. Dun. All right, guys. Here's the deal. I'm ready to hopefully catch one good, solid A+ winning trade today. Then hopefully, I'd love to get to the gym. I haven't been to the gym in almost a week. So I've been so sick. Which is like, I feel like I'm losing my mind. I feel like I'm losing my damn marbles. I don't know how, if you don't go to the gym consistently, how you can do that and feel like a sane person. Hey, don't ask me. I was asking everyone earlier. Someone said, was class good? If you're on YouTube, did you guys enjoy the class yesterday? Was it worth your time? Did you walk away knowing more than you came in with? Did I put on a show for y'all and give you some game? And if you want that ×2 tonight with my strategy, y'all better than expected. That's amazing. Y'all better get signed up for strategy tonight. I'm going over my entire strategy. A lot of tonight's going to be on the charts. Going over different scenarios, different instances you guys might run into as traders, everything. So make sure y'all are all signed up. We're trading NQ.
Looking for a possible long entry.
Oh. Looking for a long entry. All right. Something just like this. Staying patient. Patiently staying and waiting. Dun, 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 dun. I never received the link. Had to get it from De Niro. Well, follow my Instagram if you didn't get it. I'm going to be posting the link to join 10 minutes prior. Jdun Trades. If you didn't get the link, if you want the link before, if something was wrong with your email. Why do you guys always say I look tired? I literally am never tired. It's got to be the lighting. Like 10 people that I come in, like, bro, you tired? I'm like, do I seem tired? I mean, I had the flu, but no, I'm not tired. I'm chilling. I'm vibing. No. Follow me. I look energized. I look ecstatic. That's what I'm talking about. Jdun Trades on Instagram, though, if you want the link before. I'm literally not tired at all. I literally am never tired. I wake up at 5 in the morning, ready to just crush and dominate and destroy the day. Every day. Being crystallized. That picture you posted yesterday with the blood in the sink was gnarly. I don't know what was going on. I didn't bleed anymore after that, but something was going on in my, I think my maybe my what's it called? My tonsil was bleeding, or I had cracked something coughing or something. We're at this pre-market low. Let's see what we get. I try to go to bed at like 9 or 10, usually.
Remember, I used to stay up late like that.
You're in bed at like 8, huh?
Well, some days.
Probably going to bed early.
I go to sleep before 10 if possible.
Me too. Me too. If I can get 7 hours of sleep, I'm solid. And you're the one that's getting closer. All right. Hopefully we can get some sort of solid trade. I know that a lot of times FOMC minutes days will be a little slower. Let's watch gold too. Let's go see what gold's doing. Sometimes gold will give a slapper. I think Gene caught a slapper trade on gold during Asia session last night. If you're in Team Bull, you got to stop sleeping on our Asia sessions. What other communities banging out New York session with wins and then banging out Asia session for y'all that can't trade in the mornings? Nobody else. Our live trading in the Discord is legendary for Asia. The dream team of Gene and Jen. Yeah, silver's crazy. Crazy. I had a great Christmas. Baller. Well, effective PMIB. We'll see in 3 minutes. We're going. Oh, whoops. I got Gene. Oh, I'm watching earlier. What's up, dog?
There's a huge buck out there.
What?
There's a huge buck out there.
Book?
Buck.
Yeah.
Deer.
Oh. How big?
Really big. Like bigger than me. On the right.
Oh, I can't see it.
Big old antlers.
Big ol' antlers. Your haircut looks nice.
Thank you.
I got a haircut too, and nobody has said anything. Not a single person. They're always coming here telling me, Jdun, get your hair cut. Get your hair cleaned up. Well, I got a haircut, and then none of y'all even noticed. Thanks, guys. Thanks. You know, it's like a female when you go home and they got a haircut or they got their hair done and you don't say something after like 2 minutes and they're like, You must hate me and think I'm
to
ugly.
this order.
I'm sorry I didn't compliment your haircut within 2 minutes.
Listen to it, but it's gonna wait, guys. It's gonna wait.
They're like, yep. They're like, yep. You must think I'm ugly and hate me. So funny. You guys know what cup we got? Trash cut. Well, enjoy work today, bro. Because ain't no one who's coming in and hating on a free live stream about haircuts doing well in life, my boy. But hey, fries in the bag. Come on, if you're gonna shoot, you gotta take the shots too.
How much time for
I was an athlete. So all we did was talk to you back in the day in AAU ball. Oh, whoops. You guys know what we got for the cut today. You can say the cut's trash, but you can't say my cup is trash. The DOD cup? Oh. The discipline over dopamine cup. And then we got DOD on the back. How about that, baby? Oof. We got the DOD cup out in action today.
this coffee's on? Thank you for your water.
What do you say about coffee?
Something that sucks about getting breakfast is it's cold outside.
Gene says the only thing that sucks about getting a haircut is his head is cold outside.
Imagine when I go bald.
Gene, what are you doing when you go bald?
Tattoo my
He says he's tattooing his head.
like Wes Watson.
Like Wes You are hilarious. Bro said he's gonna tattoo his own head.
Okay, guys. We are free now. Free to go.
Which way we going, Greg? Down?
To be honest,
I have no bias yet.
okay, the shorts for me is better for 668. To be honest. Whopping here at 668, guys. That's what I'm watching. Jesus.
Damn, says surprise. Says surprise. Whatever. I will not get caught in this range. We have our 15-minute range in. Still here, top of the range. Turn that green not to confuse it.
This
Boom.
5-minute candle missed my zone by 1 point.
For a bounce?
Literally missed by 1 point.
Gold is dying too. Gold might give us an orb entry. See if gold gives us an orb entry. Let's see how the higher time frame looks on gold too. Only make love to her windows. We are getting to a potential trend line bounce spot on gold on the hourly chart.
This bounce is better not go that way.
Yeah. Into this level, this bounce was too fast now.
Let's see, the low here is 670.
And
If we close, or if we just like chill out and close around here, we can always look for a slight pullback long with stops below like 675. We can just chill out for a second. We'd be good. I don't think we're going to chill out, though. That's the problem. I said that, and the market's like, nope, I'm not going to chill at all. I know. I was hoping we could like chill out in the 710, 715 area, get a slight pullback into like 700 right here, and then take longs up, but that didn't happen. So now we wait.
I was close to take the loans.
Nearly gonna have as much as the open.
As a reminder, guys, I appreciate y'all being here. If you're on the YouTube, hitting that subscribe button, hitting that bell icon, turning all notifications on. If you're on TikTok, hitting that follow button in the top left corner. I'm also live on YouTube, TikTok every day at Jdun Trades, JDUN Trades on YouTube. Yep. If you want to watch my full charts and get all my levels, go to YouTube, Jdun Trades. If you guys are looking to get funded with daily payouts, the best firm for that right now, where you can get daily payouts, technically speaking, on day one of your funded, and if you meet your profit targets, is Tradeify. Use code JDUN. No soap. And technically, the orb is valid. It just touched with literally zero pullback, and there'd be so much drawdown. I mean, even the middle line is down to like 706. You know, I'd be willing to watch for, say we got a 50% retracement of even this candle. That'd still put us at like 710. That'd still put us down at like 710. What do you watch for, Grizzly Glock? You see anything in your system?
Yeah, I just need a pullback. I can see this candle close, but I feel like 25,720 in there. For a high.
Technically, this gold. Technically, this gold orb is setting up too.
I'm watching 711.
I'm watching down towards that 50% retracement too.
Is that number?
We touched that supply. Interesting. It's hard place to long or short.
I know. So we have pre-market high. We almost touched up there. We have a lot of drawdown on that candle. But our volume did support upside. Too much risk on that for me right now. We'll see. See as we come down into this 50% retracement if we can catch something.
There's positive delta on this candle. It might work out.
We reject the 750 again, guys.
I'm gonna start my long position here on MNQ. If we get this close above the 15-minute range, we've got 36 seconds. We have to close to the top of this blue line here on the screen.
Looks like you're going to get it. 15 more seconds.
Wow, candle. All right, try some. MNQ.
Grizzly in the longs. Grizzly in the longs, everybody. Off that close. Grizzly tried MNQ longs.
3 for 5. I may add a little more if we touch this 733 bid. I'm gonna keep my stop low.
That's true.
Hold you up.
Ooh. Touch pre-market high. Hopefully you can build a base above that. If you do that, you're gold.
And we'll get above the overnight high. Should go.
Oh, yes. Oregon Hockey 19 says, Jdun has no clue what he's doing and is a con man selling courses. Yep. And also follows me. So that's great. Welcome to the live, bro. Welcome to our free live.
There we go.
Love you too. Hope you have a nice day at work.
I'm gonna go ahead and trim.
Fries in the bag.
All right.
I want them with extra salt
20 point trim.
and cooked in beef tallow. Grizzly took a trim, guys.
Keep pushing.
No canola oil. Grizzly trimmed up here, guys.
Keep going. Bigger stops at entry for those that got in there with me.
I told you guys Grizzly's in longs. You can't even say that you didn't hear that. I told you that. See, I talk too much. Yeah. Yeah, enjoy work today, my boy. Beef tallow for the fries. I prefer sweet potato fries, but if you don't have those, then just make sure there are no canola oils in the process, no seed oils. I want them soft. I don't like the crispy fries.
Gonna push up first. I'd like to see
Nice job, bro.
I'd like to see this previous day point of control out of this. Here you can see this red box, but we have this previous day point of control. 796 is my final price for me. 25796. Previous day closes right where I got in too. Right when the previous 5-minute close.
Yeah, you killed that, bro. We got like 20, 25 points so far. Dum. Dun, 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 dun. Nice job, Team Bull. 1 for 1. Good job. If we would have had a little higher volume on that candle, I would have participated with you. That looks like you want to go test up to...
796.
Yeah, I was going to say maybe that next set of highs at like 800.
796 is my price.
If we chill out here, get a strong close up here on like 770 with higher volume, I still think it's valid to look for a pullback into the zone. Right back kind of right where you entered, and look for a long entry here with for a move up too. Structure still looks really strong. See what they give us. Ho, 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 ho. What do you like in the longs there, Grizzly? What do you see? What was your bias for that trade? Piece of Glock.
He went for a coffee.
Oh, he needed some more coffee. He needed some more Folgers.
You guys will reject the top of the 4-hour range, 774. We reject it perfectly.
745 is going to be my stop on the remainder of my position.
I still like I still like a pullback into like 7, like kind of your entry area, like 740 40s ish. We'll see if we can get a wick down into here and push back up. I don't love this 5-minute upside wick we've seen before.
All right, I'm out of the trade.
But if you guys made some money on that, guys, remember it takes one good trade a day.
Ooh, quick coffee.
Don't feel like you have to take more trades. Just even if I take a trade or Greg takes a trade, follow your own system, follow your own risk management, and only take what confirms for you. Overtrading is something we want to keep in 2025, not 2026. I have not entered anything new. I'm watching this price action here. I'm gonna survive. I'm not how I'm broke for a while. Let's see. No longs for me yet, guys. Just watching. I don't like how this 5-minute candle had this aggressive wick up after breaking pre-market high. I don't think longs are terrible here. You just have to keep stops below 725. So you'd have like 20 points of risk. I just want to be really careful in this short week. FOMC minutes today. A lot of big firms and big money is wrapped up for the year. So just going to be extra cautious. Grizzly already called a banger. Beautiful trade on live.
I'll be open to a second trade if it pulls back that 720.
Yeah.
We could bounce here again, though.
That's kind of what I was thinking. It's like you could, if you had a little more risk on the table, you could try a long. Keep stops like 15, 16 points down below 725. I think you have a better chance area at like 710 to 700 with stops below that, like basically low a day. I haven't taken anything new yet. I haven't taken no positions.
I'm going to give long one more go. I like to add around 733, and I'll add more at 720 with MNQ. Keep my stop. Stopping and closing. Low 720.
You try it again?
No, I haven't started
Oh.
that position. I was wanting to add at the top of the 15-minute range and add to 24.
Yeah, I'm watching too. I got my finger on the trigger. I just haven't bought anything yet. Doesn't look like a great upside candle.
I haven't entered. I'm watching this. All right. I started at my position there. I'll add to it at 720. If you make money on the first trade, I probably wouldn't risk it on this because short week, end of the year.
Watching for a little deeper pullback too. I'm gonna put any risk on like 6, 7, 10 in this range of like 7. I'd do it down to like 720.
No, I took long, MQ longs. I had my position size here in this area, but I'm gonna add more if we push down to 720. Still a lot of size.
Look a thing like Jesus. All right, let's see. In this range, I'll look for some longs. I don't dislike Grizzlies entry though. So tad bit more risk, but still looks solid. Short week, New Year's Eve tomorrow, so just being a little more cautious. Also haven't been the healthiest. Looks like
Longs. Longs, everyone. MQ longs. Like I said, if you took the first trade, you're gonna get back all your profits on this one. I'm gonna close below 720 will invalidate this trade for me.
I'm gonna add a starter piece of longs with you too, Grizzly.
I was gonna more. I wanted like.
I added a starter piece of longs. We're waking up, so added that starter piece. Got a decent fill in that too. I will add a little more if we get down to 20, and I will stop if we go below 700. Just a starter piece. 30. If you want a little higher probability entry, less risk, look towards like 13 to like 20 area. I have a hard stop in at 6.99 in case we get some death candle or news candle or something.
Yeah, I like that stop as well. The 690.
If we get this close below the 15-minute range, I'm not gonna like that very much. I just took a starter piece, so I have room to add to if we see what I want to see. Not sure we're going to get it though. I have a hard stop in my baby position at 699.
All right. Well, put me on my second ad spot at 720. Average is now in the 20s.
I don't like that 5-minute candle there. I don't like that at all. I mean, I still like the idea of this range, the 50% retracement, but we have higher volume on an aggressive sell candle below the 15-minute high. I don't like that at all. Not even a little. But I'm going to keep it with my original plan. So hard stops at 699. This is the better at area down here, guys, with stops below like 699. At 713 to 720. If we're going to continue back up, that's the spot. If we go below 700, then we likely go test that like 685 to 683. That's why I put my stop there. Trying to catch that higher low trend. If we don't curl right here and get some sort of move up, then we'll likely see a drop down. But keeping it super, super tight risk today, guys. Super tight risk. Super tight risk. If I get stopped on this, I'll start the day 0 for 1. I don't love, if you guys are looking at the screen, I don't love how we had this 5. Sorry, what, Grizzly? Yeah. Yeah, I don't like how we have this 5-minute candle here is why I don't have confidence to add any more down here. With this 5-minute aggressive push down, aggressive candle, hiring red volume here when you see that. I mean, I'll still stick to my original plan. And I got stopped out. Oh, goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. All right. Well, 0 for 1 for the day. It's low size, but still frustrating. As soon as I seen that 5-minute candle close below there, I'm not going to say I knew, but I had a bad feeling that they were going to want to push us lower. So we can look for, if we get solid volume to the downside, we can look for a reversal back up, a lower high, then a push down, into here, and a push for low a day. Besides that, I don't really see any upside until we build above the 15-minute high or the pre-market high. That's all I really see now, or all I'm really willing to trade. We likely go test this low day now if we close this candle strong.
Okay, guys, what I'm looking now is
Well,
the breakout side of
the
683 to taking shorts.
setup looked good, Grizzly. I mean, that's something I would take 10 out of 10 times. Not starting the short week off great. Not starting the short week off great. I mean, we've kept it really low size, which is nice, but frustrating for sure. I blame the flu. Got to blame someone, right? Could never be my fault.
The short, guys, because we finished the 4-hour range at 774. That's where we reject. Exactly there. Now we're going to 683. So I'm expecting another break to continue going down.
Yeah. If we get this strong candle here, I'll look for a pop up and I'll look for shorts too. If we get this close down here. Higher volume, close like we've seen up here. Strong candle, look for pop up for shorts.
Anyone took the rejection at 774?
Only if it makes sense. Ugh. Ugh. Mm-hmm. All right. We're going to get that candle close, it looks like. We'll see. I'll take one more try if we get a pop up into this 61.8. See, 741 to 710. Likely to keep stops above like 740, like another 20, 30 points of risk, depending on our entry. I'll look for a pop up into here and shorts for continuation down. It's the last setup I see. If we end up getting some pop to the upside, I'll just be over 2 and I'll hang out for a little bit, but I'm going to call it a day in terms of trading.
Yeah, I would call it a day earlier than that. One winner, one loser.
Yep. Just watching for this move to the upside. If we just send up accordion back and forth, then I will call it a day. Well, I'm not going to get off, but I won't take any more trades.
We bounce around 683. I'm gonna play the 4-hour range again. It's already complete. Yes, this range goes from
Come on. Don't do it early. Don't do it early. Come on. Don't do me like that.
I'm gonna be taking an early position here, guys.
That's crazy. If it really rejects this early and goes to low day, I'm going to be so salty. This whole range it could have tapped into. Nope. So I'm going to just not give you that. That's my last test I want to try, guys, is if we get into here, try the short, stops above this trend-setting candle here. And if we do that, I'll be done for the day. I'll take my knock to the chin. I'll have two red days in a row. Which doesn't happen often. It has happened. It's happened lots of times in my 9 years of trading. Doesn't happen often. 2025.
Taking the short, guys. Thank you, shorts. Thank you, shorts. Entry was beautiful, guys.
Come on. Oh my gosh. If it really misses that zone by 3 points. DOD, Jdun. DOD. DOD, Jdun. DOD. It's going to be just a few points off my range, guys. Greg, I hope that it prints for you. I wanted to see a little higher into this zone right here.
The reason why I'm taking the short, guys, is because they complete the 4-hour range at 774. See they pump, and we get exactly a 774. Then go down. So for me, the range is complete. Let's see. That's why I'm taking the shorts to get out from this range. We just need to break this 683, which is the bottom of the flower range.
Degrees.
683, that's the one that we need to break.
It's an interesting candle. Oh boy, DOD, discipline over dopamine, not dopamine over discipline. I'm trying to get so much ice. Oh, paintball window in zone. Maybe I need to put the gold on. It's not going to give it to me, huh? If it doesn't give it to me, I'm not taking it. Still open for that pop into the zone. Still open to this. Then if we end up moving up into here and we just move on back to high day, then I'll accept the accordion market and come back strong tomorrow. I don't really I'm not a huge fan of FOMC days either. FOMC minutes days, I find they've, in the last year and a half, they've been a bit more choppy. You calling it a day, Grizzly Glock? Oh, you already left. He said, see ya. Bro said, I'm out of here. I'm just not sure they're going to give us, if we're going to keep moving down, I'm just not sure they're going to give us a move back into this range for the retest. I prefer shorts right now over longs. I just want to see a little higher probability entry. Come on, give me my retest. And even this retest right here, if I would have taken it, wouldn't have. I mean, it could have. I wouldn't have even been 1-to-1 for a trim if you got the top tick and bottom tick. So if we went to a low day, it would have given 1-to-1. All right, let's see here. Let's see if we can pop into the zone. Come on. This is the last trade I see for the day. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. My finger's on the trigger. Tried a small piece of shorts up here, guys. Final trade for the day. This is it's the last trade I have. I tried the shorts up there. Hard stops at 741. I want to see a flush below like 690 to even think about trimming. Come on. Flush it. Die. Come on. Flush below 690. This 5-minute candle looks good so far. I want to see it. We got to hold below the 700. If you added that 720, you're up about 20 points-ish right now. I want to see us flush below 690. Come on. I'm gonna move my stops down to just above break even at 723 because I'll tell you why. Because if we pop back up, this is the move I wanted to see. I want to see more continuation down here. But if we move back up above this 5-minute high, it'll show that we likely have more strength. I want to see a flush below the 690. We're up 25 points right now. Come on. We're basically at 1-to-1. You know what? I'm going to go ahead here. I'm going to take a 1-to-1 trim down here around 95. I'm going to take 1-to-1 trim down here. With that risk from 720 up to 741. I want to see a flush to low a day, though. I'd like to see this move to low a day. We have the candle structure. Our stops are basically at break even. I want to see a flush here. I want to see a big flush here down to low a day. Come on. So green trade here regardless. Green trade here regardless. Hard stops are set. I'd like to see us flush down and continue. I'd like to see some continuation out of this. Come on. Come on. Let's get this flush down, guys. Just make sure your hard stops are set at a minimum above that, like 723. All right, there we go. Come on. Below 690. That's 1.5 R. I'd like to see us flush to low a day. But be sure you guys have at least taken something off. Pay yourself something for that nice entry up there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Below 690. Below 690. But 1-to-1 trim taking green trade regardless, guys. We waited for that. We chose DOD, stayed patient, didn't chase down here. Away from the dark side. I love you. Come on. Push it down. Everything's saying push down here. Unless it does some bullshit. Come on. There we go. Come on. Come on, sellers. Step it up. See a little more. Come on, sellers. I'm going to take one more partial down here at 95. I don't like how we're being stagnant. Final runner, we're stopping at break even. I want to see a flush to low a day. That's what I really want to see out of this. I really want to see a flush to low a day. I think we can get it. I think we can get it if we can just get a little push in volume. I think we can get a push down to that pre-market low. Hopefully before it comes up and hits the break-even stop. Come on. Be down, down, down. Did I go to the... Oh, whoops. I guess the chart was frozen. I tried to refresh here. Did that do anything? Maybe it just wasn't. Maybe I had to just scoot it over. Maybe that's why it was frozen. That's probably why it was frozen. That would make more sense. Come on. When the sun set on me. Come on. Push it down, baby. Come on. We want lows. We want that low. We got 1.5 R so far. I want to see this I want to see this flush of 675. One not in town. Come on, baby. We did hit our first price target at 690, everybody. That's 1.5 R for 20 points of risk, 30 points of gain. I'd like to see us flush this low a day. I will consider this trade a large success if we can get this push to 675. That'd put us at what? 45 points? 50 points? There's nowhere at all. Hey, we caught a bigger winner than our loser, though. We'll take that. Throw that money in. Dun, 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 dun. Come on. Told you I was coming to y'all with a nice winner. Just took DOD. I'd still like to see that low a day. I think we can get it as long as we don't push this high. We'll be good. This is danger zone up here. If we can just hold below the 700, get a little more volume push, have sellers step in a little more, grow some cojones, we'll be good. Come on. Lots of smoke. My next trim is at 675, guys. I will be out of this trade if we flush that low a day. Trump, just go and tweet 1,000% tariffs on everything. And then say, just kidding. But send it on like a 200-point dive for us, just real quick. Told y'all we were coming back with a winner. I just want to know where the haters go when we catch a dub. So whenever I catch a small loss, they love to start talking. What about when we catch dubs that are twice the size? Where's that energy then? I want to see a low day here. We want low day out of this, guys. Want low day out of this. Throw that money in the What, Gene? I know, it's just chilling. It's just taking its sweet time. All we're asking for is another 15 points. We're not asking for much. Come on. Let's get to 687. I want 675. So the break even stop or 675. There's no in between. There's no in between. That's it right there. This is a good time to remind y'all, if you haven't signed up yet, be sure you're ready for tonight's free live training. Tonight is all about strategy. So if you struggle with strategy, if you struggle with entries and exits, tonight is the night for you. Be sure you guys are all signed up. The link is in the announcements tab if you scroll up just a bit. I'll post it again right now. I just posted in the announcements tab, Team Bull. If you guys haven't signed up yet, or you guys missed last night, you said you didn't get the email, you missed, you had work, whatever it is, you guys can follow me on Instagram at Jdun Trades, and I'll be posting the link on my story 10 minutes before. So if you don't have, if your email doesn't work, if you put the wrong email in, if you didn't get it last night, no excuses. Go on Instagram, follow me, Jdun Trades. I'll have the link up for you guys 10 minutes before. That's it. It's that easy. JDUN Trades on IG. You can also DM me for the link to join there too. I'm going all in tonight. Yep, all in. Last night was incredibly valuable. Just wait till you see what I got for you tonight. Don't. Don't you do it, NASDAQ. Don't you do it. You have one mission, and that mission is to go low. It's to drop a low, girl. Drop a low, girl. As a reminder too, guys, Apex is 90% off. If you guys have been looking to get funded for 2026, the best time to stack accounts at basically freaking free is now. The 50K is only $19.60. using code Jdun. I appreciate y'all's support. Had a small loser to start the day and caught a nice, nearly double-sized winner right after. Waited for DOD. Got our solid entry. You guys saw that. We planned the trade coming up tier. Talked about that for 10 minutes till it happened. Got the spot. Got the execution. Got paid for it on the way down. That's what we look for. That's DOD. It's not chasing. It's staying focused. I'll be trading tomorrow too. That's not the candle you want to see with that volume, but yep, Apex 90% off ends on the 6th. No better time to stack your accounts up. $20 a piece. You can use code JDUN for the best possible discount. Payout protection and 1-day pass. If anything comes up with your payout, as long as you follow the rules, I can have your back and go to upper management. I'll ask the back-end team when they're sending that recording out. When will recording be out? I just asked the back-end team. So my people need the recording. Or you could just show up live tonight and get the sauce in real time. You know, studies show you will retain better when you learn live versus off a recording. Just saying. Come on, baby. Push us down. You got the recording already? Come on. Come on, baby. Push us down. All we want for late Christmas is low a day. Why is it always when the move starts happening, I got to piss? What? I want to watch this. Come on. I want 675. Flush below 675, I'll be out. This is good. This looks good, guys. We made another lower high. If I go to the bathroom, move's going to happen. Do I sacrifice it? Do I set the stops? Fine. I'll set my take profit at 674. Take profit set at 674. My stops are in at break even. Let's see if we get hit while I'm gone. When it comes to hygiene? Sure. All right. Well, all my positions are set. I got pissed.
Hello, guys. What's going on? Jesus, light is bright. No, I'm not Grizzly. There it goes. It's at 80. It's going.
My TP hit.
No, not yet.
TP hit.
No, it was like 6
TP!
points off.
Bro. Come on. Hit my TP.
It literally hit 80 and then started pushing back.
Come on. Wow. It almost hit my TP. Wow. Literally, what? 6, 7 points from TP. Well, there you got wow. We're so close. I still think we can get there. We just need a little more push from our sellers. I'm not going to be on for FOMC. No. I won't be on after I get off this morning. Market hates me, right? So whenever I get up, whenever I leave. So you guys all should have gotten the email, the recording from yesterday. If you had the right email put in, a lot of you might not have put your right email in. It might be in your spam. Be sure to check spam and junk mail too. I just got confirmation. A lot of you should have received the recording. And tonight for day 2, we're going all in. Tonight I'm teaching my exact strategy A to Z. So if you want access, you can DM me on Instagram, Jdun Trades. Make sure you follow and watch my stories too for access tonight. Mention that you're from the free live stream and you'd like access to the free live training tonight. If you don't have Instagram, well, you're on YouTube, you can use the link in the description below where it says free masterclass. The first link below. Click on that and make sure you register. You said you want the best prop firm with end-of-day drawdown and daily payouts. Easy, Tradeify. Tradeify or Alpha Futures. You can use code JDON on both. Both links below are below in the description on YouTube. Alpha Futures is a lot like Top Step, and they're 25% off right now. Gonna be. Yep. Alpha Futures does have Tradeivate. The two best firms that have ended day drawdown, for those of y'all that are wondering right now, are Alpha Futures and Tradeify. Alpha Futures is 25% off. Tradeify is, I don't know what percent off, like 30 or 40. Both are great. You can use code JDON on both. Wow. It's going to go ping my stop. Don't do it. Don't do it. Let that be the final sleep before death. Glad I could catch y'all winning trade today, though. We showed DOD ended up paying. After a small loss to start, we made ourselves a nice comeback. Gene, what does the song remind you of? All right, guys. Trade's over. Trade's over, everybody. Trade's over. Trade's over, everybody. Trade is over, my friends. Trade is over. Trade is over. We'll take it, though. From the ad area around 20, 15, whatever you guys had it at, down from that all the way to nearly 80. Like 30, 40 point trade. All that waiting. My final profit target never got hit, but we had a few profit targets get hit, and we'll take that. We'll take it on a short week, on New Year's Eve week, FOMC minutes day. We'll take it. I'm happy with it. I like the setup. I will always and forever, I think, prefer downside setups over upside. I'll make money to the upside, but I prefer downside setups. I love trading the downside. And what's more important for you guys is that you understand why we took this setup and why this was a valid trade that we waited for. We basically telegraphed this trade before it happened. Took the entry up here, wrote it down. We wanted to see low day. We wanted to see this trend continue to the downside, but we take what we can get, set our stops to break even, and then once they get hit, we move on. So hopefully y'all made some money on that inside Team Bull. If not, made some knowledge. Make some knowledge on it. That's cool with me too. We like knowledge here. Knowledge, like Ty Lopez used to say. You see what this is behind me? Knowledge. There's no easy firm, but I think your most beginner-friendly firms are going to be down below in the description on YouTube. They're going to be Tradeify, Funded Next, and Alpha Futures. If you're trading options, you can use Vanquish. It's the bottom one. Options and stocks. We've had lots of traders getting payouts from them lately, too. Oh my gosh, look at that. Are they going to push us to high a day now? Yo, let's go. Mastermind mentorship student. Yo, as I'm asking about if the email I got about my accounting under review is good or bad, I got the email my payouts are approved. $40,000 approved payout from Apex. Let's go. One of our members just got a $40,000 payout approved from Apex. Wow. That is insane. Congratulations, bro. Been telling y'all, use code Jdun. I got your back, baby. They know better than to mess with Team Bull when you use code Jdun. That is amazing, bro. Same firm that is 90% off right now. One of our members just got a $40,000 payout from. That's incredible. So awesome. Look at that. Would you just look at that? Oh, whoops. There we go. Congratulations, bro. That's what I'm talking about. One of my mentorship students. Yo, as I'm asking about if the email I got about my account being under review is good or bad, I got the email my payouts are approved. $40,000, baby. That is Apex, the firm that's 90% off. So if you want to trade with this firm, one of our members just got a $40,000 payout. You can use code Jdun. I'll put the link in the chat. It's amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I recommend the 50Ks. Let me see what size of account was. Oops. Let's see. Let's go back to live trading chat. Where's bro's payout? He was trading with the, I assume, what, 50Ks? Probably 50Ks. That's amazing. We want all y'all getting your payouts this year, baby. Payout for 90% off. All right, this is the firm, guys. I just posted the link in YouTube chat. I'll pin it too. That's incredible. Absolutely beautiful. You love to see it. You love to see it, my friend. That's so awesome. That's super cool, bro. Congratulations, Aaron. $2,000 times 20. That's want to be a baller. Shot caller. Apex is not the most beginner friendly, but it is the most scalable. I'll always say that. I think the most beginner friendly, if you're a true beginner, is probably going to be Tradify or Alpha Futures. But most scalable and like cheapest and great barrier for entry is Apex. One of our students just got a $40,000 payout. Want to be a baller. What? I never saw. What was Jokic's injury update? Did he hyperextend his knee? I will literally cry if Jokic is out. No, if Jokic is out, we're so cooked. We'll literally be out 4 of our 5 starters. You guys know what I got Gene for Christmas? I got Gene a signed Peyton Manning jersey and a signed Pat Surtain jersey in cases for him. Tell me that's not dope. Are we opening a Leering Center together? Surtain Jr., right? Yeah. The one who's playing right now. It was from my boy who knows all the players. He does athlete and music management. We're going to need... Gene, someone said, need to buy Gene a Hellcat so he can ball out with the boys. That's hilarious. Gene wants a Hellcat. Gene says, all I want is a Hellcat. Bro gets a Hellcat, he'll be cool. Botus. And we're about to go high a day here. Look at that. Look at that reversal. Look at that accordion. Look at that accordion. I put in an order for that Lamborghini Ducati motorcycle. All right, I tried out my Lambo rep. Put me on the list. I wouldn't even ride it really. I just put it in the office for show. If you want more life. All right, let me see here. How was everyone's trading day? How do you guys end up doing? Talk to me, Team Bull. It's negative 450. Made it back. Now I'm up $100. Nice. 2 losses. Your entries were terrible. As long as you recognize them and journal them. That was one of the missions from last night. Is I want you guys starting your journaling journey today. Lost with me. Well, if you lost the tiny trade to start, you got. If you're gonna trade my system, you gotta take all the trades. So I'm saying you can't just take one small loser and be like, I'm done. If you're gonna trade my true system, right? It's small losses and big wins. So I ended green today. I ended nice green. I mean, not huge, but I'm happy with how today went. Winner was double the size of the loser. It was downside, so I added a bit more size. Had a solid retest like I wanted to see into the 50% to 61.8%. But hey, even if you lost money, as long as you learn, that's fine. That's a win. I don't care about your P&L. I care about your process and what you took out of today. That's what I care about. Tonight's workshop and tonight's free live training is all going over strategy. It's all strategy. So if you've struggled with finding the right entries, the right exits, how to trim, how to set stops, tonight is a night that you cannot afford to miss. Cancel your plans, cancel your video games, cancel whatever dopamine rushing activities you were planning on, and join me tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Non-negotiable. Cancel your little video games. And if you absolutely cannot make it, for whatever reason, you guys need to make sure that you guys get signed up so you guys get the recording after. You have to be signed up. Gonna cancel my Tinder date, period. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, baby. We gotta choose discipline over dopamine, baby. It will be recorded, but you'll learn better live. So do whatever you can to make it live. I'm taking y'all to class. That's facts. That's big facts. Could I not make it to my son's birthday party? We'll go to your son's birthday party, bro. But you better watch the recording after. Best time to stack accounts and get funded. This is the firm. in your journal. That's great. It's perfect. Generate leads. Let's see. Boom. All right, there we go. You love. All right, guys. Oh, my throat's feeling a little better. Hopefully it doesn't go back to the BS. Leaving right now. You guys got any plans the rest of the day? Team Bowl, Money Team, Team Bowl. La la. La la. Do. Don't. Gonna miss my son's birth for Jdun. I don't have a son. You're funny. All right, y'all. I'm about to go get some food. Mob off for the day. But Hope you all trade smart, trade safe. Hopefully you guys made some money today, learned something, and I'll see you guys all tonight. Whoops, let me make sure this is good. I'll see you all tonight for night 2 of the free live training. I'm going over all my strategy, going over how I set my stops, how I trim. Everything that you need to know to become a profitable trader is going down tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern time. So make sure you guys are signed up. The link is in the announcements tab. And I'll see you guys tomorrow or tonight for class, all right? God bless y'all. Peace. As a reminder, guys, make sure you guys hit that follow button if you're on TikTok. I trade live every day. On YouTube, same thing. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe. Thank you all for 150K subscribers. It means the absolute world to me. I will always do my best to help you guys pass your challenges, get funded, get paid, and become a DOD, a discipline over dopamine trader. I'll see you guys later for class. Don't miss it. Make sure you guys are signed up. The link's in the description below. Make it a priority. God bless y'all. Have a great night. Peace.